Ready to launch your Substack journey and share your voice with the world? Let's get your very first post published. First off, navigate to your Substack dashboard. You'll see a prominent Write button, usually in the top corner. Click that to open the post editor. This is where your masterpiece begins. The first crucial step is your title. Make it captivating, clear, and something that sparks curiosity. Think about what would make you click on an article. For example, instead of just "My thoughts," try something like "My first dive into the world of underwater basket weaving." It's intriguing and tells your reader immediately what to expect. Now let's fill in that content. What do you want to share? This is your space to be authentic and engaging, whether it's a personal story, a deep dive into a topic, or a curated list of resources. Let your passion shine through. Break your text into clear paragraphs. This makes it much easier for readers to digest. Aim for a good flow, guiding your audience from one point to the next smoothly. To boost readability, use headings and subheadings to organize your content. Substack also makes it easy to create bulleted or numbered lists, perfect for breaking down information or sharing tips. Don't forget the formatting. Use bold to emphasize key phrases, italics for a subtle touch, and links to connect your readers to relevant external resources. This adds polish and professionalism to your post. Once you're happy with your content, review it one last time for typos or grammatical errors. Then it's time for the big moment. Click the Publish button, often found in the top right corner of your screen. You'll likely get a confirmation prompt. Give it a final check, and then hit that Publish button. Congratulations! Your first Substack post is now live for the world to see.